Good news. Maryland is predicted to have a 14% increase in home sales in 2026 due to lower mortgage interest rates and potential legislative changes. It's Friday, January 30th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Bad news. Overall inflation is still running 2.7% higher than the desired 2%. Consumer sentiment is low, even lower than consumer sentiment was during the Great Recession of 2008 to 2012, when home prices declined nationwide an average of 30%. With the DOGE impact, Maryland also is lagging behind both Virginia and the district in job creation, leading with unemployment claims, and we may be headed to another government shutdown on Saturday. This will disrupt loan applications on home purchases and could delay those in the search process, which will affect sellers as well as buyers standing by for their government-backed loans to be given the go-ahead. The feeling is that a recession is looming as the economy is clearly weakening. Good news, however, Maryland's household income has grown by 8% since 2024 compared to the nationwide household income growth of only 5.3%. Plus, 68% of Marylanders own a home compared with 65% nationwide. And Maryland homeowners have a lot of wealth in their homes, aka equity. The mortgage rate is also the lowest it's been in 3 years. This certainly is favorable for those buyers looking to purchase. But inventory is still weak in Maryland. One thing that many are saying could open up new inventory is to lift the capital gains exemption, particularly for the elderly who are staying in their homes longer. And why not? Stay tuned on that proposed legislation. Meanwhile, resale inventory to hit the market since last report fell 11.7% to 1,797 from last week at a median $395,900. Coming soon, properties rose to 1,110 at a median $455,000. New contracts fell 5% this report to 1,509 and at a median list price of $399,990, and days before contract dipped again this report to 33 days. 1,204 units sold in 39 days at 98% list to sold ratio and at $410,000 median sold price. Rental units dipped again this week to 3,653 units available at $2,500 per month. Remember that the snow and ice incidents have stopped most buyer home tours, so if you're a seller, you're going to have to hold tight until we get past the snow and ice. And if you have any questions about your specific circumstances, give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, January 30th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe and warm. Watch out for those icy patches, and I'll see you next week. Take care.